Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to insert image here in Trello. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Trello, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Inserting images into Trello cards is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance your project management and collaboration processes. Now, all I'm going to do is add a card. For example, this one. I'm going to enter a card. Then from here, now once the card has been created, I'm going to rename this one as this. I'm going to insert some text here. Now you see there is an option that says insert or image. When you click that, you have multiple options. You can attach an image link. For example, it's saved from OneDrive or Google Drive. You can click on the URL here, or you can simply upload from your computer, which I'm going to do right now. Now this is going to be the image. It's a very straightforward process. Okay. Now, I'm going to attach another image using a link. This is going to be the file from Google Drive, and all I'm going to do is click this one, to share and copy link, and switch over to Trello. Now, once I've done that, I'm going to put in the image here by clicking the edit, this one. Or add. Click insert, just wait for it to load, and there's going to be the file. All right, so you have now multiple options. Now you can make this image as a cover, or if you want to remove that, you can do so again. Now you also have an option to drag and drop the file. If you enable the Google Drive, enable power up, so you would be able to see and preview the image that has been attached here. So you have multiple options. All right, in this case, I'm going to add another file here. Upload from my computer. Okay, so I can choose wherever I wanted to have the cover photo. I'm going to use this one as the make cover. All right, just wait for it to update. Basically, that's how you insert image here in Trello. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.